What's the meaning of boom? Boom. Boom.
Boom. Boom. The word boom has several meanings, but in general, it refers to a sudden and significant increase in activity or growth in a particular area. For example, an economic boom can describe a period of rapid and substantial economic growth. Similarly, a technology boom can refer to a surge in innovation and development within the tech industry. A population boom can describe a sudden increase in the number of people living in a particular area. In all cases, the result of a boom is generally positive, leading to increased prosperity, progress, and opportunities for those involved.